how to set YouTube channel as made for kids. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial to do so. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So again, open up the YouTube application, or let's open up browser, which is youtube.com right here. Once we open it up, we can look out for the YouTube Studio, look out for the YouTube your profile in the top right, and select the option of YouTube Studio from here and access it up on your screen. Now from the left hand menu, you can select the option for content. And from here, you can hover over to the video that you want to set and click on details, or this pencil option here. Now from the section, we can scroll down and go to the audience section here and choose if it's made for kids or it's not made for kids. If it's made for kids, you can select this option for yes, it's made for kids. And you can click on save option in the top right to save the changes. And if you want to set default for all of the uploads, in the YouTube itself, you can go to settings, look out for upload defaults, and go to the advanced settings here. And within there, we can, under audience, this section, under audience, what we can do is we can basically look out for the section for yes, it's made for kids. You know, if you have that option on, you can just go over and set it to kids only. And after you have set it to kids only, you can just go and save the changes. This will automatically apply your choice to all of the new uploads. And YouTube does not let you mark whole channel permanently as made for kids, but you can set the default for new uploads using option 2. For older videos, you will need to edit each video's audience individually. But usually this is how you can set YouTube channel made for kids. So that's it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.